Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate a Cyberpunk AI avatar video in CapCut. So just open up your CapCut application, then tap on text on the bottom left corner of the screen and tap on add text to introduce your text for your AI avatar. Then select the text box with your text and this menu is going to show up saying
Hey,
AI
how are you
avatar.
today?
Then you have to select this, then go to stylized and you will find many AI generated cyberpunk
Hey, how are
This
you
is a
today?
test
Are you
text
ready to?
box.
cyberpunk characters. As you can see, there are many options.
Hey, how are
This
you
is a
today?
test
Are you ready
text
to create
box.
with CapCut? Press next.
Hey, how are
This
you
is a
today?
test
Are you
text
ready to
box.
create with CapCut? Press next and enter an audio prompt. Hey, how are
This
you
is a
today?
test
Are
text.
you?
So you can use any of these characters for your video. As you can see, the list is very long and you can even search for specific characters if you like. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation.